Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus a Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. And this phone comes with a Samsung Exynos 7885 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the Y9 Prime 2019 comes with a high silicon Kirin 710F processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And logo came first on the A7 2018 and 18:5:9 aspect ratio on the A7 2018 versus the full view display on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, but A7 is giving you a full HD Super AMOLED display versus the IPS LCD on the Y9. Y9 is faster and Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 is right behind. Everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application is the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. A7 is right behind. And next up is the settings, and that is just a tiny bit faster on the Y9. A7 is right behind. Mic lock, and that was about the same on both phones, and launching the My Files application on both phones, and I think just a tiny bit faster on the A7 2018, and Y9 is right behind. So launching some more application, the calendar, I think faster just a tiny bit on the Y9. A7 is right behind, half a second difference. So launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush on both phones. And that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and Y9 is right behind, about 1 or 2 second difference there. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and you can see very beautiful aspect ratio on the Y9, and Y9 is faster because Samsung A7 2018 is showing me a logging thing, so that is why huge difference in this game application. So last game application we have the Temple Run 2 on both phones. And Samsung Galaxy A7 is, I think, faster. Yes, it is faster than the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and I think just a tiny bit faster on the A7 2018. Y9 is right behind. So launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Google Chrome, and the first website is the wikipedia.org on both phones. And let's see, I think just a tiny bit faster on the Y9. I think you guys are the judge of the speed test. A7 is right behind. I notice some lags on the Y9 for all the time. A7 is looking very smooth, and now it is very smooth. Again, I notice some lags on the Y9. Next up is the apple.com on both phones, and faster on the Huawei Y9, and Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 is right behind, and you can see looking very good on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones is giving you a 4GB RAM, and the phone dialer is not refresh on both phones. Same thing with the settings as well, and Android 9 on both phones. And that got refreshed on the Huawei Y9, and A7 is not refreshed. So far is very good. A7 2018 is very good in the RAM measurement, and that got again refreshed on the Y9 with this game application, and the Subway Surfer is not refreshed on the Y9. Last game application is the Temple Run 2, and that is not refreshed on both phones. And last is the internet browser on both phones. And overall, I would say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is right behind to the A7 2018. RAM measurement is very good on the A7 2018, but one application is refreshed on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. I hope the RAM measurement will improve some software updates in the future. I received only one update and RAM measurement is little bit improved. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus a Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.